In Mathcad Prime 11, there is a new manual calculation mode. In order to explain how this works, it helps if I start out in Mathcad Prime 10 and explain how auto calculation worked in that version and previous versions. Okay, so here I am in Mathcad Prime 10. I have a worksheet open. It has multiple pages. If I go to the Calculation tab, we have a controls group in here, and by default, auto calculation is turned on. In other words, we are going to automatically update the results of the worksheet. And that is something you might not want if you have very complex functions. Maybe you've got some algorithms, maybe you've got some recursion, maybe you've got a lot of data input and processing. So you can turn off auto calculation. And the way that you do that is by clicking on the Stop All Calculations button. And you might have noticed that this other icon for Calculate got turned off. And this is for recalculating the worksheet. This is the keyboard shortcut of Control F5. And as it says, it recalculates all math regions in the worksheet, but it's grayed out when you've turned off auto calculation. And what I mainly use this for is, like, I've used it for random number generators in the past. But anyhow, we have turned off auto calculation. If you take a look at the bottom of the computer screen, we have a little dot here that is grayed out. If we turn auto calculation back on, well, the green dot comes back, indicating that we are in auto calculation mode, and we have this calculate button. Okay, so that's how it was in Prime 10 and earlier. Now let's jump over to Prime 11. Okay, same worksheet. Let's go over to the calculation tab, and here we have auto calculation. And if you take a look at the bottom of the screen, we have the green dot, but we also have the word auto in there, which is kind of nice. It tells us what that green dot is for. But if you take a look to the right of Stop All Calculations, we actually have two commands here now. We have Calculate Worksheet, which, if you take a look at the tooltip, has the same information as the previous Calculate button and the same keyboard shortcut. There's this other one here for Calculate Now. It is grayed out. So let me click on the Auto Calculate button, which ends up disabling auto calculation. If you take a look down at the bottom of the screen, it tells us we are now in manual calculation mode. And now we have both icons available here. Calculate Worksheet, which will recalculate all the Mathcad regions in the worksheet. But we also have access to Calculate Now, which is the keyboard shortcut of F5. And what that'll do is it'll recalculate all the math regions up to the current page that you are viewing. So this ends up giving you more control over what you want updated when you've turned off the auto calculation. So that's manual calculation mode, but of course you can always click on auto calculation in order to go back to standard auto calculation mode.